Hey, welcome to section number 2 for the B sound. Now, I want to go into a little bit more detail related to how to make this sound properly. So I'm going to show you visually. So let me take you to my screen really quickly and you can follow along. Now remember, in section 1, I explained to you that in order to make this sound, you needed to put your lips together. So again, step 1 is simply bring your lips together. So put your lips together. Now, step 2. For step 2, you want to bring your lips actually in. So you're going to draw your lips in, the top and the bottom lip. Then, after you've drawn them in, you kind of push them out. So, B. And by the end, your lips are open and you've made the sound because you've pushed the air out. So let me show you again. Together. Now in. Now push the air out. B. Makes sense, right? That's how you make the B sound. Now let's keep going so you can learn some intermediate vocabulary words that use the B sound.